Okay.
Well, it's loading up. I don't know what happened. It's just sending data right now. Alright, yeah, it should be up. Might just click on my channel. It might be a new stream.
Okay.
Is it
Okay. Yeah, I think I can see now.
alright,
And what was our what were you trying to show me?
the down here at the bottom, I got like the MACD overlay with the RSI, which is purple, and the ADX is the green.
But you're not they don't you're not using them in any kind of way where like one crosses the other or anything like that. Right. You're just kind of they're just there so you can see the them go up and down or their how they're trending or whatever.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, I mean I have the I
I'll look for the moving averages to cross on the top one.
mhm.
Um,
uh yeah, I still have the MACD histogram on my 5 minute. And then I have the stock. I have the ADX, stock RSI, RSI, and ATR. But then, yeah, I have that TDI thing on my 15 minute, and I've been looking at that, trying to implement that as another just another indicator. I mean, what's it called? Another. I don't know. If I'm trying to get into a trade and the MACD, is trying to short, so I need the MACD to be dropping, and then also if the stock RSI is gone up to 180 and it's dropping back down, and then also at the same time that green is like crossing the red, well that's just a whole another thing telling me that's a good trade.
yep, yeah.
I forget what it's you're supposed to have so many of those like for like a plus trade.
Confirmations.
Yeah, confirmations. Yeah, that's good. Good word.
Yeah, yeah. I'm, I'm, I'm about to buckle the fuck in, especially fucking if we're gonna quit gaming.
Yeah,
I'm about to
I
go.
just know the more that I plan, the more I look at it and try to see the structure and then see it ahead rather than being
Oh,
reactive to what's
I
happening
agree.
right now.
I agree.
Is the better I do because that just creates so much more patience
Yeah, well, yeah,
on that.
cause yeah, nobody knows what the fuck it's gonna do. And there's no predicting this shit.
Yeah,
There's only reacting. So yeah, yeah. Gotta build up our trading playbook, man. Just like football or something. Pull out
yeah.
the right play. Pull out the right play when it's
I
time.
forget what it's called. That's one of the books in the Chat GPT that I created or whatever it's called the GPT.
Yeah. This book I love. I listened to the audio book on it. It was called "The Best Loser Wins." But it's this trader from London. But anyway, it just basically talks about basically like I said, it's just a few big losing days fucks me so much. Um, like I can make money, I just gotta stop from losing this shit.
Yeah, yeah, I hear you. I mean, I know one thing that fucks me over right now that I need to figure out is like okay, Trying to put it into words. It's like when I have a stop set and a profit mark, I'm so apt to hold on to hope and end up getting completely stopped out, but I'm so unlikely to have the uh, balls or whatever, the foresight to stay in the trade to get all the way to my profit mark.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Unless it's
Taking
just like
profit
moving
too
so
early.
fast. Yeah, taking profit too early and holding on to losses too long.
Yeah, yeah. Holding on to losses too long is 100% what fucks me.
It's because it's like I'm always letting it go to my complete stop loss, and I'm like barely ever letting it get to my complete profit mark. And that's just such an issue.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean sometimes you do need to adjust
Yeah, and
and
there's times
react to it,
where
but
you need to. There's times where you should get out of the trade early, just like there's times you should take your loss early, and there's times where you know. But you could also then take that too far and then um, take your losses too early and not let the volatility come back and go your way.
yeah.
It's just like such a balance. But I just know from watching all my trades and just I know that's out of balance and that I need to fix that. That I need to let more trades go to the profit mark and I need to get out of some trades early. So instead of just that being like a thing that's in my head that I'm trying to fix, I need to like talk to ChatGPT about like specifically what to look for, you know, with those things.
Yeah. Like give me an
I
example.
know, well, like the delta volume can tell you like okay no this is exactly it. I need to, instead of just having like a stop loss like in that situation, I need to also, and I have kind of been implementing this but I'm just cementing it more so now by talking about it, but I need to like look at the indicators and things still, and if something like okay I went in the mac the macd was dropping and I shorted, but then it starts compressing a little bit and all of a sudden now it's back to level, I'm like, and just okay, get out. Or if maybe if the trades, it's just I don't know, just looking at things like the delta volume could tell me like sometimes like oh that's went stale, and um, or a big one is just the compression. If it starts like it doesn't make the move that you thought it was going to make, and it just starts, the volume drops and it turns into dojis and stuff. Like okay, you might be down a little bit at that point or something, but just get out then because your trade didn't go the way you were
Well,
thinking it was going to. It's now
um,
compressing, and anything could happen.
something I've noticed that some people I watch do a lot that people are I don't know scared or don't think's right. Anyway, getting out of a trade, like so say you were looking at a setup, you get in, but then you get out quick because it's not moving your way. But then you were still right. You just gotta wait a little bit longer and then get back in it. You know what I mean?
That's where I mean, for me, I would say the ATR really helps with that because if I'm already knowing ahead of time how the volatility of the market is, and it's literally telling you it's at 3 points of volatility or something right now, if you have it set in points like that, then it could go 3 points the other way, and it doesn't mean that you're wrong.
Okay, I'm resting
Uh,
starting the ATR on my chart. Um,
yeah.
can you give me like a fucking quick rundown?
Um,
Just
no, because well, as far as like what the number, no, because I think I'm having to change mine because I had it like doubled somehow. and because I was talking to ChatGPT about it today, and it was like what the table it gave me was way lower than what my number was, and I was like, wait, either the volatility is like super fucking high right now, which it wasn't, because I it wasn't any different than it normally is. So I was like, okay, I think I have it like doubled or something. So I got to look into that. I mean, it works for me because I've been looking at that exact number, and so I know what it's supposed to be. But now I'm trying to get more information from ChatGPT about it, and it's fucking it up. So, um, but here, let me find see if I can find the conversation I had earlier. Okay. Um, wait. This is showing ADX2. Yeah, hold on. Okay, well this tells you either.
Yeah, no, I'm talking to ChatGPT now.
Oh, okay,
Oh yeah, it's giving me a good breakdown. How to use it with ADX, RSI, BWAP.
okay. Tell it to give you try this one. An MES pullback sizing table by ADX and ATR.
Say it again now.
An MES pullback sizing table by ADX and ATR. I'm curious if
Okay.
it's going to give you the
I
same thing
I
about
clicked
the I
I
got.
I clicked the speech to text on ChatGPT and it picked up your voice. It says, "Say it again now." MES pool. All right, sweet. That's dope.
So, did that give you like a table?
Yeah.
Okay. Um, so it says pullback, but that basically is saying how far the moves are going to be. But it also my this one that I have that it gave me just says ATR range points. So less than one is low volatility, 1 to 2 is medium, over 2 is high. Uh,
Mine's oh, is that 2.0 or 3.0?
that's in
Oh yeah, no, mine's less than 20 is weak. 20 to oh no, that's
no,
ATX.
that's ADX. Yeah.
Um,
But so they combine really good. That's what I'm realizing, and that's what yeah I've been trying to combine the two of them. But if it's like this says, if the ADX is under 20 and the ATR is under 1, then it tells you that it's a choppy market. False trends likely, trade ranges, or trade extremes. But it says it's going to be only a 1 to 1.5 point pullback. Now, the biggest pullback opportunity looks like, yep, that's, yeah, 20 to 25 ADX. That would make sense. Um, because if the trend is too strong, it's there's not going to be that much pullback. And if the ATR is too low too, then there won't be that much pullback. But if you have like a somewhat strong uh, they call it a weak trend, 20 to 25, but then like a pretty decent over to ATR. There's a lot of potential, but you just have to be careful that it's not a reversal.
So check this out. When I told you like 11:30, 12:30 shit picks up, right? If you
Mm-hmm.
look on my chart on the stream, um see how the Bollinger Bands are like converging right here? Hold on, I gotta get it fired.
Uh,
Oh, never
Hold
mind.
on, let me
Never
full
mind.
screen.
Never mind. Scratch that. I was on a fucking 2 minute chart.
Oh, you are on 2 minute chart. I see that. Oh shit! Did you accidentally change it?
Nah, I was scalping earlier. And,
Okay.
I do that on the 2 minute. I'm trying to get better of not using it. I mean, I still do it, like I said, when I'm doing the range shit, but
Mhm.
yeah. Anyway, fucking, what was I getting at? Oh yeah, so the volume's about to pick up here soon. Well, in about an hour. And if okay, hold on. My fucking eye, I might have to get some glasses, dude.
You can't see it.
There we go. Where the fucking zoom in on this shit. Oh yeah, I don't know if you heard me earlier. You know you can download like web pages as standalone apps, right?
Um, I didn't know. I mean, every single one.
Pretty much, yeah. Like this is the Bulinox site instead of like logging on the browser. I just got a little app, Bulinox app, where it just
I mean, I have TradingView app.
so yeah, it would
I
do
don't use
that.
TradingView on the website.
Yeah, I know. So it would basically do that, but for websites that don't have a standalone app.
Oh,
Yeah.
and how do you do that?
I don't know how you do it on Edge. You should switch
So,
to Chrome, dude. So much
what's the
better.
point? It's
Oh, just for like stuff you use a lot. If you want to, have it in a separate window instead of on a browser, like mixed in with your tabs and shit.
okay.
Um,
You can just open up a new, whole new browser window too,
so
but I guess it would be.
yeah, it opens it up automatically. It's just a lot easier for stuff you open a lot.
Okay.
And
I mean, I thought I was going to use the Chat GPT app. I didn't end up though. I used it for a little bit, but then I just go to the website now.
oh really? I use the app.
Yeah, I think it fucked up one day. Like there was something I could like it wouldn't let me send a picture or something. Then I went to the site and it would, and I was like, oh well, didn't really see that much of a benefit of it. I actually the one thing that I did like where there was like a hotkey, like just to bring it up at any point. It's like Control L or something.
Yeah. Yeah. I don't ever use it on the website.
So, uh, so I have a question about the trade you decided to make here. At what candle did you go into this long?
It's not long. It's short.
Oh, okay. What candle did you go into the short at? Can you zoom in?
Oh.
Kind of hard to see. I can't really see those candles, like the
Yeah, I got you.
details of them. I guess I could just look at my chart, but I'm trying to get it to where people can see if they're watching.
Yeah. Um. Yeah. Yeah. No, I appreciate it. Yeah. Can you see it better now?
Okay. Yeah. Oh, well, I could.
Just tell me what to do.
Oh, that's good. That's pretty good there. Yeah. Okay. You move over so I can see the last few bits.
Oh, I see. I gotta resize it. I got you.
Mm. Now, why am I? I'm like stuck in the middle of the screen. What happened?
Yeah, I'm having to resize it real quick. Hold on.
Oh, okay. What's that? Oh, is the red line just where the price is at?
Yeah.
Okay.
Um,
Uh-oh.
Technical difficulties.
I feel like we might have something there though, like podcasts. Um, like like the perspective of like learning trading
Yeah.
and like talking about like our uh weekly downfalls and things we're working on and shit like that, and just kind of going in. I mean, I don't know if you noticed that, but I was kind of like I was exploring that. Like I was trying to ask you questions and get you to open up about what you're doing and why you're doing it and stuff.
Yeah.
But like,
I need to get better on it.
but uh, but yeah, it's. But I thought I don't know. As we were talking about it, I was just like, wow, this could actually kind of be a podcast. For people who are like interested in trading, because we're talking about things that they're going to have to learn if if they're at a level below us, or even slightly above us. That things that they have to reiterate or whatever.
Yeah, and I'm sure we really ain't got to do a whole lot, you know. As far as like
Hmm.
just do what we're already fucking doing.
Right.
Dude, I gotta get a new fucking mouse. Holy fuck.
Well, plus, yeah, we just basically record the conversation and then we can like edit it later and just try to try to be conscious about like getting some topics together beforehand and stuff. Like it's got to be like kind of themed.
Alright, can you see that better?
Um, yeah, that's pretty good.
Alright, cause I got
I'm still stuck in the middle of the screen.
pull yours up so I can see what you're seeing. Um, wait, you shouldn't be. You're not.
Not anymore. Once you zoom, I don't know, it was zoomed in more or something.
Yeah, no. I changed monitors and it fucking changed scaling and shit. I'm just
Okay,
learning this software and shit. But yeah,
gotcha.
yeah. If we could figure out something to do with this that that's not gonna take a whole lot more time than what we're already doing, like a podcast or something,
Hmm.
that would be fucking great. Cause that way I mean, that's kind of what I'm doing now. Right? With this is, I'm not, you know, expecting it to blow up, but you know what I'm
Uh-huh.
saying. If it does, great. But if not, fuck it. You know what I'm saying?
Right. Well, it
But
could
the
start with
main,
a podcast, but then it could like go if there was some success, then it could go to like streaming it or whatever.
yeah, because I mean, um,
A lot of people do that anyway. That the podcast they'll live stream it onto YouTube or whatever while they're
yeah,
doing the podcast or whatever.
yeah, um,
One thing about that is then if you can't, there's no editing and making mistakes and going back and fixing things.
yeah. Well, you gotta have, um, I mean, you kind of either you need to lean one way or the other. You know, like a
Hmm.
studio production podcast or a live stream,
Well, yeah,
which I would do the
yeah,
live stream thing,
hmm,
because it's way less work.
right.
Just gotta be careful over, saying shit we shouldn't.
Hmm.
Um, yeah. So, but yeah, yeah, fucking get the podcast going. Bring other traders on there just starting. You know, talk about their,
Right.
and then a lot of these people that trade live and shit, they make more money from uh being an affiliate with these prop firms and shit. People who signing up through
Hmm.
their codes. Um, which I'm already Bullinox accepted me as an affiliate.
Oh, nice.
I'm gonna apply for Tradeify this week.
Cool.
But yeah, fucking think it'll help with my discipline and shit, you know.
Yeah. Yeah. I mean, it would hold you more accountable. Yeah, to some extent. It's like you got people relying on you to give them content. You got to be, learning and giving them content.
Yep, exactly. But yeah, I do want to do like a just like a raw, real life, like no bullshit. What it's like trying to become profitable, pretty much.
Yeah. Yeah. Uh, you're gonna have to do like you're gonna need some kind of like intro episode talking about like
Yeah, I've been trying to
where
figure out how
what you've
I'm
been
gonna do
to
that.
this point.
Yeah,
Um, I think it's gonna have to be using like AI, like generated like stuff to like explain the story.
um,
Should be kind of like have you ever seen the guys that like does the different like crime things and stuff, but it's like an animated kind of like you see animated pictures. It could be like uh, just kind of like explains what you're talking about. It's like kind of
yeah, I mean, I know what you're
like a
talking about.
comic.
I don't know who you're talking about, but I can picture what you're
Yeah,
talking about. I'm sure I've seen
but
it.
it's basically just like a comic though, like just you're talking about what you've been through, and then you have a little like comic strip of different pictures of giving show and tell during your talking.
Oh, dude, I just had an idea. Hear me out. So we're trying to give the perspective from a beginner standpoint, right? Zygo comes to Earth and learns how to trade.
No, you could create a new character, but we can't use Zyla for this. Maybe someday there could be a slight crossover.
Or a new one, but
um, but yeah, come up with a character.
I'm not that's not my strong suit.
No, but it is ChatGPT's strong suit, and it can just give you 10 options of everything, and then you can pick one option and then go from there.
Yeah,
Pretty much what I do.
I'm gonna weigh my options and see. Cause yeah, I do wanna kind of.
Yeah.
I've been thinking of how I'm gonna introduce everybody, and instead, cause people just come and just start watching the stream, they're not gonna know what the fuck's going on. I need to have something that.
Mhm. It depends on the route you're trying to go. So if you're trying to create content that people would watch later, that'd be one thing. But if are you just going for just streaming and just like no
Well,
content creation?
no, I'm gonna do the live streaming. Uh, like my trading every day. But then I'm also gonna, chop that up and make some shorts and then make some videos about stuff too, like actually edited videos and shit.
Okay, wait, and what were we talking about? Just you had some kind
Oh,
of question of how
like
you're gonna.
how I was gonna um how to introduce everybody to just the channel in
Oh,
general, like
okay, okay,
how
okay, okay.
kind of what we're trying to
Okay.
do.
So I have two ideas that would be geared, and you could do both of them, but it's that's why I asked because it's geared towards each thing. So for the more live streaming thing, you would either come up, have a little thing you would say at the beginning of every stream, uh, and you could have also like a bot that says something, but or like across in the chat, but like you could just say a quick thing like that, but I think the if you're going to be making content and stuff, I think the route to go is, like I said, just use AI. It'll be real simple. All you have to do is you have to do a voiceover, and then you have to use some kind of simple software to put that voice down, and then to where you can put pictures on top of it. Uh, that'll make a video, and just use AI to, or even ChatGPT to make all the the pictures. It doesn't have to be like a character or something that
Oh
is the
no,
same throughout.
I'm saying I mean like I know how to do it. I'm saying like how I'm gonna like where am I gonna have like you said put it at the beginning of every video or something or like that's what I'm
Mm,
saying like where am I gonna place it for
no,
everyone to see it?
you just um, I mean, it's just where else can you place it other than where you have your content at? Like it's going to be like if you're like if you're putting your videos on YouTube, then it's going to be on your YouTube videos. People are going
Oh,
to.
okay. I think I think I got an idea. Could do like a little short like intro,
Uh-huh.
like like a cinematic intro at the start of every
Mhm.
video. Just like getting a quick,
Okay.
cause when you start watching some new person on YouTube that you don't know, you don't ever go watch one of their first videos that you kind of I mean
Yeah, not typically.
yeah, so
Um,
and I want to capture them quick and let them know you know that's what this is if that's what you're looking for. If not, move along. You know what I mean?
yeah, I got you. Yeah, yeah, I like it. I mean, it's more of a production. I've seen people just say basically this, they'll have a little synapse about themselves of what they're doing and they'll just get it down and say it real quick or whatever. But I like the production value of it. It shouldn't take much with all the tools and things we have access to these days.
Yeah, 5 years ago it would have been hard, but now, alrighty. So what? So
Are,
what? What's the time? What time do you want to start? Trying to
wait,
get
are you
together.
still down in this? I'm so confused. Did you get in a long now?
No, it's that same short.
Is that minus 1250? Is
Huh?
that what it says?
Oh,
Does it say minus
minus
10?
250.
That's
Right.
saying minus. Okay, wait, I must be not. I'm not live. I don't know why it's
Oh,
doing that. Okay,
it's even
now
at
it's at
zero.
0.
Yep.
Okay. I was confused because I was looking at my chart and it was going back down, but then yours it wasn't. So, what was the most you were down in that?
Like $5, I think.
Oh no, I saw 750. I think.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I guess so. 750. Shit.
Are you trying to scale it more, or are you just trying to?
No, no, not scaling in.
Is that what you were doing all day to get the 1,000? Trade two?
Um, no, I was doing
Oh, okay.
five, and sometimes I would scale into 10.
Gotcha. Yeah, I think because one thing I know is when I get into trades at these times, I'm so not. I have so much little confidence that like it's really hard for me to stay in a long time.
Well, why is it now?
Just because I'm like, I think it's gonna like, I don't know if it's just gonna keep going. Like I know it's like usually rangy, but like for whatever reason, I'm just like, I don't know this time period. It could just reverse and keep going. Like, uh,
Um, so yeah, it's probably gonna. It's been going up during these uh during these late hours from when I've been trading here lately. Almost every fucking time.
yeah.
But like we said, that don't mean shit for right now.
Right. Right now, we got stock RSI at 37, and that's dropping down all the way. It was at 92, 88, something. Um, and then RSI 54 on the 5 minute, 58 on the 15 minute. Definitely still an uptrend. Everything's above the EMAs.
Well, when do you want to try to get like a kind of a set schedule? Not not hard, but like a roundabout time to start testing out trading, like 9 to 11 or something. Or 11 to 1 or 2. I mean, I can stay up late, shit.
I'm not, I'm definitely not gonna be staying up late because my bread and butter is, and I still want to get up early. I like getting up early and like having my day like that. But yeah, I still want to be able to get up at 7:30 and I can't. I don't have access to just be able to take a nap at any time. Like the
Yeah, for real.
sun's hot, um, so I gotta get my sleep overnight. But um, yeah, I'm gonna have to think about that and figure it out because I'd like there to be a little bit more volume, but it's like the time periods where the best is like around that, like 9, yeah, 9:12 or something would probably be like the time period where I know I don't have anything else going on ever, but um,
Um, well,
I think I just need to start trying it and like paper trading, I guess, during whatever time. I should just try to trade at like yeah, whatever time's most convenient and see if it works at least.
yeah, well, I mean, so the time you're trading now is the most convenient for you?
Probably. I mean, after I first, yeah, I would say starting at like 7,
I got you.
which means that gets me like yeah, 7 to 10 or 11 range. Should be like 8 to 11 or 12 your time.
So you talking about evening?
Yeah,
Oh, okay.
I mean, I'm still gonna trade 8:30 to 10:30, and then like I said, usually I'm either gonna like go over my trade that I did with myself and like look at it, think about it, see if there's anything else I can learn for that day, any concepts that are like on my mind or I'm trying to figure out. But then yes, not probably go until all the way 12 like I have been because it's just hard to do all the other stuff I need to do at that point.
Yeah. Well,
Um,
so tell me what you think about this idea. Um, you remember how when you first started trading, we talked about, like overnight trades and shit you even,
oh yeah.
before you even you couldn't hold them overnight. Um,
Uh,
in the evening, I mean, it's not gonna happen every day, but sometimes there's good trades um that you can get in, right after the market opens back up and ride that bitch out till the fucking next morning. And some like
uh,
my biggest
you're talking about when it opens up at 5 or whatever.
yeah. Um,
Okay.
so in the evenings we like go over our trades that day, look at shit for the next
Mhm.
day, and also potentially peep any setups that look like it's gonna make a big move overnight, and fucking set our stop loss and take profit and go to sleep.
You know what I wanted on a side? I mean, that's something. Yeah, I definitely wouldn't be comfortable with doing that in any account. That'd be like a paper trading. See how it goes. Uh, but like, I want to try to get ChatGPT to analyze the historical data for some of these different strategies and things like recently, rather than like I don't know how Thinkorswim if they do it or I don't know TradingView. I don't really trust theirs anymore. Um,
Oh yeah, TradingView's got a. I mean, Thinkorswim has a crazy back tester.
but so that's so okay. But the thing about that is you have to specifically have certain like combination of like certain indicators or shit like that, right?
I've never actually
Like the
used it.
stuff. Well, you'd have to. I mean, it's not like you can
Yeah,
put in there like
yeah,
opening range, like you know what I mean, like
yeah, yeah.
opening range strategy. Like you could like for ChatGPT, if you can get it the data somehow to be able to look at the different charts over time, it could you could say um, how has this specific how has this strategy been working the past month, and then it can look at for that, and you could you would tell it like okay these are the characteristics of the strategy or whatever. But like I was kind of trying to do that with it with the TDI stuff, but I didn't get that far into it because I think I had to like export the chart data, and I couldn't figure out how to do it. Maybe I can't remember, but I think you can somehow export the chart data and get it to ChatGPT. But
I
but
wonder
I
how.
think it would be
I wonder how.
I think it'd be beneficial if we were like, we're talking about these different strategies, like the opening range, for instance, and we could say, okay, like how many times does it when the price moves so much away from the opening range, the past month, has it continued on that trend or something.
I wonder if GPT-5 has improved anything.
I don't know.
Oh yeah,
So we're getting better.
you can share a trade log or two to evaluate more precisely. Um, need to know the exact rules of your strategy, time frames, entry exit, stop target, indicator values at entry, P and or risk reward. Compare trades with MACD aligned versus against if expectancy turns negative against MACD. Okay.
I just asked ChatGPT what would be the best way to give you chart data that you could utilize to backtest strategies.
And what did she say?
Um, I'm dissecting it now. Minimum required columns. What? Date, time, include time zone. Uh, Says I can make you a ready to use trading view export template so you can download 5 minute and yes data and hand it over without extra formatting work. Oh, it's saying okay, minimum required columns. Um, the date, time, the open, the high, the low, the close, and the volume. Useful optional columns: VWAP, EMA values, ADX, ATR, RSI, MACD. Those are like the ones that we
Oh yeah,
uh
that's the best.
and bid slash ask volume for order flow tests. Session markers. Okay, and then format and delivery tips. Whatever strategy you want to test, time frame, whatever strategy you want to test. File format .csv is best. Excel also works, but CSV is clean. Export source: Trading View, Sierra Chart, NinjaTrader, or Thinkorswim. All allow CSV exports of historical data. Data scope: at least 3 to 6 months for intraday strategies, 1+ year if possible for robust results. Yeah, I think combining ChatGPT with backtesting to like get it to like to be able to talk to it about the back testing and like um might be advantageous.
Yeah. I mean, how would we do that?
What do you mean? Like we just export the CSV file and upload it into my bot.
I mean, but so just do that each time you like tweak the strategy or something.
No, because it's good. I mean, you're putting it in there. It's going to have all the data from the past year.
Yeah.
So anything that
I
you,
see, I see, I see, I see. I got you, I got
yeah. So you can be like, how many times has this range strategy when it touches the upper Bollinger Band, you know, and whatever.
you.
Like,
Yeah,
how many times? What's the percentage of that's worked,
I like it, I like it.
right?
Oh yeah. Um, yeah.
And I
Make a new GPT or a new project for that in ChatGPT.
okay. A new project, or those are two different things. I could do
Uh,
both. It could be a new project with a new
oh, so
GPT.
okay, so the project, I'm kind of confused on it. So I thought you could use the
Project is just a way to organize.
yeah, but I
Oh, your
can't.
chat.
Yeah, but how do I like? I can't get chats from different from
That I
my
don't know.
GPT
I I just into the. You're saying you can't get your own GPT into the.
into the project
I'm pretty sure. Um.
unless you just put in
Oh
instructions, I guess.
no. Yeah, I'm not sure you're right because when I talk to mine, I just do it in the main chat thing. But when I'm talking to the normal chat GPT, then that's when I go to my project.
When you go to your project, when?
Uh, when I'm not talking to my GPT, when I'm not talking to the trading know-it-all. If I'm talking to the trading know-it-all, I just go to the normal chat,
Oh, okay, I
the
got you.
main window.
I got you.
Because usually, I mean, yeah, there's a lot of projects I could work on that isn't going to require a whole new GPT.
Yeah, I mean, so do you think this would be better for GPT or a project?
Um, I thought that having it within what I already had because it already has all the different strategies like built into it. But I mean, the normal ChatGPT has access to the internet. Um,
Well, I mean, if you yeah, I mean, if you want to do it in yours, that's fine too.
I don't know. I'm just trying to kind of think what's the best.
Probably will
I mean,
probably will do a separate one that way you can keep your stuff separate from mine if we're doing. You know what I'm saying? We can
uh
we can kind of do that one together, but
I'll just make a new
and then you
project.
yeah, and then you can also upload it in yours if you want.
Yeah, I'll do this. I'll make a new project, and yeah, we'll just use the normal GPT in a new project. But then, if it seems like it's not working right, and we need to like refine the knowledge that it has and not give it the entirety of the internet, we could figure that out at that point.
Hell yeah.
I mean, that's kind of the way I see the GPTs, or at least one aspect of them is like just giving it the information that you want, not having it search everything and because it does a good job usually, but sometimes it might find a source or get something information that's not like legit.
Yeah.
Okay. New project. Project name is going to be uh, what's it called? Historical data. Back testing.
Yeah. So.
I can't find. I just have to ask the question over. Um, did you say you can put files in the project folder?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh yeah. Okay. So what's the difference between a project and a GPT? The GPT. I think you can go for like it has actual coding spot where you can do like put in the webhooks and shit like that.
So say it, you know.
The GPT, the difference between the custom, just I mean, wait, the difference between a project and a GPT is the GPT has like the actual coding area box where you can add like webhooks and stuff like that.
Oh, okay.
This you couldn't do webhooks with this, I don't think. Um, hmm, didn't work. Let me try again. I'll be right back.
Alright. Yo.
Okay, so I have the CSV file for the 5 minute. I got the CSV file for my 5 minute chart here in this project folder. So now, let me see. Oh my, my god.
What?
Just trying to use this fucking dictate thing to dictate sometimes is fucking dictatingly annoying.
Bro, do you know what the logarithmic and the other one means?
Logarithmic?
Like on the charts on one of the settings, where is it at? Oh yeah, there's like a. Hold on, let me see if it's even on. It might not even be on TradingView, but yeah, it's like if you right click on the prices on the right hand side on the y axis, you can there's an
Mm-hmm.
option between regular, indexed, logarithmic, and percent.
Oh yeah, I see that. Huh. No, I have no idea what that is. We'll see how good this Chat GPT 5 is.
Yeah, for real.
Because it's thinking.
Hopefully, it don't blow a fuse.
Okay. Just seeing this preliminary first uh information coming out of this, I think I'm gonna want to make a whole bot just because I don't know, it's promising.
Oh yeah.
Well, see what you think. I'm reading it. See if you can access it. You see the back testing project?
Yeah, I'm coming.
I'm not sure. I'm not sure what pullback strategy it's using, or if I haven't read all of it, or if it's telling us. I mean, like, what is the characteristics of its pullback strategy? Yeah, these spams are annoying me, but I have to have them on, otherwise the bugs will get me.
Oh yeah, we gotta make sure to click the thinking GPT, the file, the one that thinks more.
Oh, I don't know if I don't think I had that option.
In the top left corner of your chat box, you can change it during your chat and shit.
Oh. Okay, they changed that. Research grade intelligence they have? You gotta upgrade for that. Holy shit.
For what? Oh, the
Research grade intelligence. Okay, so thinking. Oh, yeah. Okay. Damn. Are you looking at that?
at what?
I have no idea what that 80 curve points means.
What?
That graph. The graph.
Hold on. What graph are you talking about?
80 curve points pullback strategy.
You talking about in your chat, the Access CSV chat?
The back testing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know. I must not be seeing it. Oh, it's probably not updating in real time. I think I had to close it for it to pop up the back test.
Oh.
Yeah, that's what it is.
Okay, and that checks out because the 8 trades that were made at 15 ADX was minus 0.217 R per trade, which I guess is like return or but once you get up to 25 ADX, it's 0.067, 30 ADX is 0.133.
Oh, alright. Time to get out. Alright, watch how the market's about to move right now.
What you think it's gonna surpass this?
So,
Uh,
Order filled.
what's why are you saying it's gonna move a lot?
just I'm just saying the volume picks up this time every night.
Oh,
Bro, did you see fucking Nvidia's about to start paying 15% on every chip they sell to the US?
Order
say that again.
filled.
Um, they announced yesterday Nvidia is going to be paying 15% of all the chips it sells to the US.
Oh, yeah, I saw something on the financial news stuff about it this morning. The S&P dropped quite a bit when that news came out overnight.
Should go up.
Uh,
Order filled.
uh,
But there was a lot of shit coming out too, so if it was just that alone, it'd be different.
yeah, for some reason it only did trades today. Oh, maybe that's all the data it got on the. Oh, because it's a 5 minute chart. I bet it only has
Oh, it's a day chart
24 hours of data.
where you gotta do the
No,
1 year.
one. Uh, oh,
I mean,
okay.
you can probably do like 1 year 5 minute. This is gonna be super fucking long.
How would you do that? Oh,
Uh,
change the interval.
yeah, that's the minute.
1 year, 1 day intervals. No,
Oh, you,
there's that's the time frame of the chart, but then there's
yeah, I don't know if you can do
the
the 5 minute,
intervals.
1 year.
I think it's lot certain. I mean, to do year to date, you have to do day. I think
Order filled.
Um,
like 5 minutes is locked to 5 day interval. You can do five
you
days.
can't do like 30 minute 1 year.
No, I can't figure out how to do that, but I'm sure there could be a way.
I mean, if you upload the 1 year, it's still gonna get the same data.
It just well, it wouldn't be if you wanted to know if you wanted any information about um
Order filled.
indicators. The indicators would be off. I mean, they would be on for the 1 day data. but I don't really look at the 1 day chart. I don't really know what the indicators mean on there.
Maybe you can give it some kind of like API access somehow.
Yeah, I want to figure out how I can get it 5 minute charts for like a year.
Better check Thinkorswim. Yeah, the lowest you can go on a year is 1 day, or actually custom from January 1st to 20 till now. Aggregation period. Okay, bam, I got it. But it only goes down to an hour.
What'd you say? How long can you do on Thinkorswim?
Um, Whenever you want, as long as you want. I can
You
go.
could do a 5 minute chart for a year.
No, it only goes down to an hour.
Yeah. Okay. So same limitation.
Better
I
every
think it's
day
about
though.
that. Yeah. Hmm? Oh. No, you could. So if I click on hour, you can do 3 months.
I'm on Thinkorswim.
No, I know. I'm just saying, and it's not a. Uh, it's not a stuck on a day. A day is for a year. You're saying Thinkorswim, you could do what? An hour for a year?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Okay, this is getting dense, and I need to be getting off.
Yeah, I'm about to go
Can't
to the
get too
gym.
far into this, but
Okay. Well, we got
yeah, this has promise.
yeah, we got a fucking start tonight. You know, something to work off of.
Yeah, yeah, for sure. I mean, I think already like some compared to just playing a game, we pretty did some good things.
Hell yeah.
Uh, so all right, well, um, I'll trip tomorrow or something, see what's going on.
All right, bud. Yeah, hit me up in the
Oh,
morning.
if you can figure out a way to get like 5 minute, at least 5 minute charts into wait, how long will it let you do 5 minute for?
I'm not sure. I'm looking
See
at
if
it.
you can uh limit it to a specific
Yeah, I can pick the time frame.
because if you could just limit to, then you could study a specific time frame, and then you could probably do even longer because it's probably bars, certain amount of bars you can have. At least that's what this is saying for Trading View.
Highest I can go, 360 days? No, I can do 90 days, 5 minutes, 180 days, 5 minutes.
Okay. Okay, that'll work. And you can export it as a CSV.
Yeah.
Cool. Put that in that project in the files of that project.
Alright, I'll figure out how to do it, but it's a question for
Um,
ChatGPT.
yeah, it's easy. Oh, to export, how to export it?
I also gotta figure out how to download it first.
Yeah, that's what I meant. How to get the wait? Do you know how to get the CSV? You're saying how to get the CSV out of Thinkorswim, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. In TradingView, it's just you just click the like. How did I do it? Fuck, I don't even remember.
I'll figure it out.
Okay, but yeah, I'll hit you up tomorrow or something, man.
Oh, yeah, I already got it.
Oh, nice. Hell yeah,
Oh, yeah, alright then.
got this. And then, all right, I'll talk to you.
Alright, later, bud.
My order, bitches!